Alright, detention dodgers. I'm Yannick, and you're not. Welcome to the sacred temple of leftover chalk dust and abandoned juice boxes. The schoolyard. No teachers, no rules, just one cool tinywhoop and some very bored concrete. Today's curriculum is freestyle physics. Cool. Lesson 1 is gravity, still works. Lesson 2, it takes exactly 3 tries to dunk a whoop into a basketball hoop. Not once, not twice, but yeah, thrice. But who's counting? I mean, I am. It was 3. The scoring of 2 points was my greatest achievement that day. A nice gap and a nice cradle later. I was feeling pretty gangster, not gonna lie. But I was reminded of reality. I got back up and kept skipping class. Fuck the rules. Don't do homework. Goodbye.